When you think of New York hotels, you probably imagine sky-high prices, crowded lobbies, and names you've heard 1,000 times. But what if I told you that tucked between the noise and glamour, there are a few four-star gems that most people overlook, and they might just offer the best value and experience in the city? Let's take a closer look at 3 underrated four-star hotels in the heart of Manhattan that deserve way more attention than they get. The New Yorker Hotel by Lot Hotels. Exterior of the New Yorker Hotel. Vintage Art Deco design, interior lobby shots, room views. First up, the New Yorker Hotel by Lot Hotels. This isn't just a hotel, it's a piece of NYC history. Built in 1930, this Art Deco landmark once hosted legends like Muhammad Ali and Nikola Tesla. Yes, that Tesla actually lived here. Located just steps away from Penn Station and Madison Square Garden, it's perfect for travelers who want to be in the action without breaking the bank. With classic interiors, modern upgrades, and breathtaking city views from higher floors, the New Yorker combines vintage charm with comfort. And here's the kicker: for a 4-star hotel with such a legacy and location, prices often dip lower than many chain brand competitors. Now that's underrated. Number 2, the Marlton Hotel. Outside of the Marlton Hotel, cozy lobby with fireplace, boutique-style rooms, street views of Greenwich Village. Next, we head downtown to the heart of Greenwich Village. Say hello to the Marlton Hotel, a tiny boutique hotel with major character. With only 107 rooms, it feels more like a secret hideaway than a city hotel. The Marlton is known for its Parisian vibe, vintage decor, and warm, intimate lobby where creatives, locals, and travelers quietly mingle. Its on-site restaurant, Margot, is also a foodie favorite. It's quiet, stylish, and refreshingly different from the typical high-rise hotels in Midtown. If you're after charm over flash, this is your spot. Number 3, Rio Plaza, New York Times Square. Modern lobby, buffet breakfast, Times Square views, rooftop scenes. Last but not least, the Rio Plaza, New York Times Square. Don't let the location fool you. This hotel manages to be in the chaos without feeling like it. Rio Plaza offers spacious rooms, a huge breakfast buffet that's included with your stay, a rare find in NYC, and surprisingly good soundproofing, which makes all the difference after a long day in the city. The hotel is part of an international chain known for consistent quality, but this location especially stands out for offering Times Square access without Times Square stress. So what makes these hotels the most underrated in New York? It's not just price, it's personality. It's history, location, charm, and the little things they do better than the big names. Whether you're visiting for the first time or you're a local looking for a weekend escape, these hidden gems are worth checking out. Comment below if you have stayed here.